हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि देतलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is waterfall. It means jharna. The next word is hawker. It means ferry wala. The next word is cowshed. It means goshala. The next word is cemetery. It means kabristan. The next word is mourning. It means shock. The next word is pil. It means chilna. The next word is president. It means पिछला उदाहरण. The next word is rare. It means durlabh. The next word is share. It means katarna. The next word is impossible. It means asambhav. The next word is disadvantage. It means nuksan. The next word is disappear. It means gayab hona. The next word is impurity. It means ashuddhata. The next word is consumer. It means ubhokta. The next word is descendant. It means vanshaj. The next word is heavy. It means bhari. The next word is frugal. It means कम खर्च करने वाला. The next word is minority. It means अल्पसंख्यक. The next word is folly. It means मूर्खता. The next word is irregular. It means aniyamit. The next word is obedient. It means agyakari. The next word is infinite. It means anant ya asimit. The next word is mature. It means paripakwa. The next word is indirect. It means apratyaksh. The next word is invisible. It means adrashya. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more Hindi English vocabulary words videos.